जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएंगे नायब वज़ीर आज़म और वज़ीर ख़ारजा इजलास से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
The benefits of the emerging confluence between the Belt and Road Initiative and Euro-Asian Economic Union. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the flagship project of BRI, not only supplements SCO's vision of regional connectivity and economic integration, but also complements our common objective of regional peace and prosperity. Mr. Chairman, we need to expand on such initiatives in the SCO region to create new avenues for trade and development. Similarly, we must also promote the use of national currencies for mutual settlement within SCO region that would help member countries to avoid international financial shocks. Pakistan also supports proposal to create an SCO alternative development funding mechanism to give needed impetus to various stalled development initiatives. Despite progress on many fronts, poverty remains one of the most serious challenges for SCO countries. With an overwhelming majority of poor people within our borders, we are duty-bound to synergize our efforts to alleviate poverty from the SCO region. As the permanent chair of SCO Special Working Group to combat poverty, Pakistan will do its utmost to provide the required impetus to our collective efforts in raising the living standards of the people of SCO. We have already conducted its inaugural session and would soon, announce its second session in coordination with the member states. We must also collectively address the existential threat of climate change, which is directly contributing to increased frequency of humanitarian emergencies across the globe. Failure to commit ourselves seriously will endanger the future of our planet. Pakistan just had in 2022 almost 34 billion.
जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएंगे नायब वज़ीर आज़म वज़ीर ख़ारजा चाइना में इजलास कर रहे थे और यहाँ आपको लिए चलते हैं मामूल की नशरियात की जानिब।